What is up, guys? I am here at night checking on my stuff. Got some lights going. It's definitely chilly in here though. Yeah, this is definitely still a little tacky. So I'm gonna bring these a little closer. These lamps a little bit closer. Actually, this is pretty good right here, where the lamps are a little closer. These are further away, so yeah, a little bit tackier and tackier as we go up, but otherwise looking pretty good. Not too bad. Not too shabby. So wait for this to dry. Cut this edge. I suppose I could do that now. Cut the edge here with a razor blade while it's still easy. Anyways, just want to do a quick update. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. You'll get notification for this and for other jobs as they move forward. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.